Hello friends, good morning. This is Dr. Sagrika Roy Bhatia for you again on another Sunday, the author of the book Just Expressions. Well, let me tell you all a story this morning. I know most of you all already know this story. It's the story of the 5 blind men and the elephant. 5 blind men were taken to an elephant to find out what actually the animal looked like, and these blind men were taken to one part each of the elephant. One blind man went to the tail of the elephant and declared that it was a rope. Another blind man went to the tusk of the elephant and said that it was like a snake. The other, it was like a sword. The other one went to the trunk and said that it was like a snake. Then one of them went to the body of the elephant and said that it was like a wall. And the other one went to the leg of the elephant and said that it was like a trunk of a tree. Okay. So finally, they never came to the conclusion that it was an elephant, for the simple reason all of them kept on continuously arguing that what I say is right. Okay. So now with this, there is a lot of learning for our children. Parents, we need to first of all develop curiosity in our children, as I told you last week. But when we also develop curiosity, there's always going to be a stimulus which is going to be a problem. And that stimulus is always very important to develop the problem solving attitude into the child. And let me tell you, this particular stimulus, when handled with our 5 senses, we human beings are blessed with 5 senses. That is the sense of smell, sense of feel, that is touch, then sense of taste, sense of eyesight, and sense of hearing. So it is very important now that your child aren't going to school. So there's no problem for them to solve. Absolutely no problem. And problem solving attitude, to develop a problem solving attitude is one of the 21st century skill. So how do you do that at home? You give them a problem. Like for example, ask them that, what happens if there's no public service? What happens if the human body is starved for a long time? Like small problems, just give them. What if electric cars come on roads? What's going to happen? So take the feel of the child and ensure that the child uses all the 5 senses to solve the particular problem, because now you all are the teachers, you all are mothers, you all are teachers. All this while we were taking care of them, but now they are in your safe hands. So I request you all develop this problem solving attitude in your children with small problems, and to be handled with all the 5 senses. Very important. The sense of listening, I would repeat, the sense of tasting, the sense of feeling, the sense of course you're also thinking, and so on and so forth. Let the children develop their problem solving attitude. So parents, your children are yours. Happy parenting to you all, and I'm looking forward to hearing from all of you with your comments. How are you all doing it? And I'm happy to help you all doing it. #happy parenting.